Top 6 Best Pocket Microscopes. Pocket microscopes are incredible tools that bring the microscopic world into the palm of your hand. Whether you're a curious kid, a student, or a hobbyist exploring the fine details of everyday objects, a good pocket microscope offers clarity, portability, and ease of use. Here we explore the top 6 best pocket microscopes that provide exceptional magnification and versatility. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Microscope for Kids. The Microscope for Kids is a fantastic choice for young explorers. Designed with a child-friendly interface, this portable microscope makes science fun and engaging. It features a sturdy build, easy-to-use focus adjustments, and a bright LED light to illuminate specimens clearly. The compact size makes it perfect for little hands, allowing kids to discover the intricate details of leaves, insects, and fabrics up close. This pocket microscope is an excellent educational tool that fosters curiosity and hands-on learning. Number 2. 1000x Handheld Microscope for Kids, 4K 2.0 Screen. The 1000x Handheld Microscope for Kids 4K 2.0 screen offers high-resolution imaging and a compact design. With its 1000x magnification, this microscope provides crystal-clear views of microscopic structures. The built-in 2.0-inch screen eliminates the need for a smartphone or computer, making it easy to view details instantly. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use, while the sturdy construction makes it durable for young scientists. Whether examining tiny insects or inspecting fabric fibers, this microscope delivers a high-quality viewing experience. Number 3. 1000x Pocket Microscope for Kids. The 1000x Pocket Microscope for Kids is a perfect blend of portability and power. With its high magnification capabilities, this handheld microscope allows kids to explore the microscopic world in stunning detail. It features an adjustable LED light to enhance visibility, and the rechargeable battery ensures hours of exploration. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, whether in the classroom or on outdoor adventures. This microscope is an ideal choice for young learners who love to explore nature and science. Number 4. Microscope for Kids 100 to 1000x Mini Pocket Microscope. The Microscope for Kids 100 to 1000x Mini Pocket Microscope is designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. It offers a broad magnification range, allowing users to switch between 100x and 1000x effortlessly. The LED illumination enhances clarity, making it easier to view fine details. Its compact and durable design ensures that kids can take it anywhere, whether for backyard explorations or school projects. This pocket microscope is an excellent tool for fostering a love of science and discovery. Number 5. Carson Microbright Plus. The Carson Microbright Plus is a highly regarded pocket microscope known for its superior optics and ease of use. Offering magnification from 60x to 120x, this lightweight device provides bright, clear images with its built-in LED lighting. The precision-molded aspheric lens system reduces distortion, ensuring a sharp view of specimens. Ideal for hobbyists, students, and nature enthusiasts, the Carson Microbright Plus is a powerful yet compact tool that brings the microscopic world to life. Number 6. Carson Pocket Micro 20x to 60x LED Pocket. The Carson Pocket Micro 20x to 60x LED Pocket is an excellent choice for on-the-go observations. Featuring a sleek and compact design, this pocket microscope offers a wide magnification range from 20x to 60x. The aspheric lens system enhances image clarity, while the built-in LED light ensures optimal illumination. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry in a pocket or backpack, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures and quick scientific explorations. This microscope is a must-have for anyone who loves discovering the hidden details of the world around them. Pocket microscopes are fantastic tools that open up a new world of discovery. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast, these top 6 microscopes offer the perfect combination of portability, clarity, and ease of use. Each one is designed to bring microscopic wonders to life, making science more accessible and enjoyable for all ages. Choose the one that best fits your needs and start exploring the unseen world today.